You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the driver's side to the right of the pedals. Remove the lower dashboard casing. To do this, you must pull it towards you to free it from the clips that hold it in place. Using a flathead screwdriver, lever off the lower part of the cabin filter flange, then remove it. Remove the filter. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and smells, this technology allows the filtration of very small particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little more expensive, they're probably the best option. Put the new filter in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. Putting the filter back in place is a little complicated, as the accelerator pedal gets in the way of accessing the flange. Our tip: pinch the filter on its upper edge, then carefully insert it into the flange. Then push the filter a little into its housing. It should go back into its normal shape when it has been completely pushed in. Put the cover back on. Put the casing back on. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.